how to auto buy equipments in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make it possible. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we're in this settings interface. Now on the left hand side, you'll be able to see controls. Simply tap on controls. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to find auto buy equipments. So simply tap on it and it will be checked. So what does it do? So if you have sufficient gold, it will automatically buy different items when you are inside the game. So you don't need to worry about having no skills or other equipments. So it will automatically buy it and you can use it on the spot. So it's a great feature that you can use inside the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.